Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm showing you how to crochet face mask. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press a bell icon for latest uploaded videos. We will start crocheting a face mask with a slip knot. After slip knot, crochet 11 chain. After basic chain, now we will work row 1, skip the first chain and work in the second chain, 1 single crochet. Work 1 single crochet in each 10 chain. Work throughout the chain. After 10 single crochet, row 2, chain 1, turn the work. Again in row 2, 1 single crochet in each 10 stitches. We'll work 1 single crochet in each stitch till 5th row. Complete the 5 rows of 1 single crochet. After 1 single crochet of 5 rows, in next 6th row, chain 1, turn the work and work 2 single crochet in first stitch. Then in next stitches, work 1 single crochet except the last stitch. In the last stitch, work 2 single crochet. We will increase the stitches. Chain 1, turn the work. In the 7th row, work 1 single crochet in each stitch. We will repeat the 6th and 7th row. Chain 1, turn the work 2 single crochet in first stitch, then 1 single crochet except the last stitch. In the last stitch, 2 single crochet. Then in next row, 1 single crochet in each stitch. Repeat the same 6th and 7th row till 17th row. First 5 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5 of 1 single crochet. From 6th to 17th row, we have increased the stitches. Now in 18th row, chain 1, turn the work 1 single crochet in each stitch. For next 6 rows, work 1 single crochet for the next 6 rows. The 6 rows of 1 single crochet in each stitch. Now we will going to decrease the stitches. Chain 1, turn the work. In first 2 stitches, 2 single crochet together. Two single crochet together, then 1 single crochet till the last 2 stitches. In last 2 stitches, 2 single crochet together. Then in next row, chain 1, turn the work 1 single crochet in each stitch. We will repeat the 24th and 25th row till 35th row by decreasing the stitches. Complete 12 rows means till 35th row. After 35th row, chain 1, turn the work 1 single crochet in each 10 stitches. We will work 1 single crochet in each stitch for next 5 rows. As we have worked 1 single crochet in each stitch for first 5 rows, we will work 1 single crochet in each stitch for last 5 rows also. The same stitches on the both side. Complete the rows. Five rows of 1 single crochet. After that, chain 1, work 1 single crochet throughout the upper border. After that, chain 45, crochet, chain 45, attach it with 1 single crochet in the opposite side and work 1 single crochet in the lower border. Covering the ends. Work the same 45 chain in the opposite side and attach it with 1 single crochet and make a 2 slip knot. Cut the yarn. Cover the yarn properly. Now we will stitch a cloth of the same shape in the inner side of the mask. Fold it in this manner all over the border and stitch it properly. Here our safe mask is ready. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video, share the video. Bye bye.